This 2024 Grand Design Momentum 397s is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 44 feet 2 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 9, awning, air conditioning, spare tire kit, stove top burner, LP detector, water heater, oven, skylight, slideout, external shower, and 140 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 bedrooms, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Momentum 397s is 16,250 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.